Hey whiskey lovers, and welcome back to the whiskey section here on the Bearded Dane. Just a quick one. Today I got this guy. It's the Scarabus, it's from Laing, and this time it's a single malt. And well, normally I combine Laing with blended scotches, normally amazing stuff, but this guy I haven't tried before. As I said, it's a single malt, and this is their batch strength, so it's 57% alcohol. It's in a thick blackish bottle. You can actually see through it up against the light, so it's not all black. I like the bottle. Looks good. Some nice artwork on here. The bottle looks amazing as well. So, yeah, as I said, single malt from Laing. It's undisclosed who the distillery is. I heard a lot about this guy on the internet, and I heard something about maybe Kalila or something like that. But yeah, that makes kind of sense, because normally that's the distillery who kind of, sells their stuff because they make so much of it. But I'm just going to go into this one. Haven't tried it before, so I haven't tested anything. Normally I do that because I want to make sure that I get all the right notes out of it. But this time I'm just doing it straight from the bottle for the first time. So let's see what we have here. It's non-chill filtered and there's no color added. As you can see, I guess you can. It's a very, very light color. Very citrus light. Yeah, let's see what we have here. On the nose. Whoa. I get smoke. Now, this is not an Ardbeg smoke. It's lighter, but there's a lot of smoke, but it's not as deep. It's not as, briny. But I get some brine to it, just a bit. And then I get caramel, very, very distinct caramel on the nose here, up front together with the smoke actually. Oh, this has a nice nose to it. Yeah. I get caramel, I get smoke. I get some kind of dark fruit way in the back. I'm not sure. Maybe some plume actually. Way back. But caramel and smoke. Actually, I heard the 46%, there wasn't much sweetness to that one. It was just smoke in your face. But this one here, it has some sweetness to it on the nose already. Oh yeah, this is nice. I like that one. Oh, this has a nice smell to it. So I'm just going, I have to, I can't wait. Sorry. So it's 57%. On the nose I get no alcohol at all. I can stick my nose all the way down into the glass and not get any alcohol. It's sweet. Yeah, now I get the brininess after I took a sip of this. Yeah, so we have this kind of sea. It's not much salt, but there's kind of this, there's a briny note. Seaweed maybe. Yeah, a bit of seaweed. Wood. From the casks, no doubt. Oh, but this sweetness on the nose, this caramel, it's very deep caramel. It's almost licorice, but it isn't. it's caramel, like fudge. This is so nice. And then now after the sip, I get even more of the dark fruits. So boom. Yeah, a lot of stone fruits. It has some savory tone to it as well, but again, if you combine it to other Islay whiskies, it's not not as savory as they are. Like, this is different. This is a different Islay whiskey. Whoa, Hunter Laing, you did it again. This time with a single. This is amazing. Yeah. Seaweed, smoke. It's definitely peat smoke. Well, when I hear people talking about the 46%, they say it's not as deep as smoke, but this is. I'm guessing it's because it's the batch, because there's more. It's taken directly, I guess, from. Oh. This is good. It's different. It's a very, very different Islay whiskey. I like it. And it's 57%. There's close to no alcohol burn on this one. Of course, it's warm. It warms you up. It has a nice long finish to it. This kind of, it's almost like the peat you're smelling is burning. It's freshly burning peat, but it's not because it's not an alcohol burn. It's a peat burn, taste burn. It's full mouth experience, to me at least. Yeah. This is a good one. Whoa. That fudge. That caramel. It's not sweet per se, but you definitely get this caramel fudge thing on the nose and on the taste. Whoa. Whoa, I didn't expect that. After hearing other reviews on the 46%, I didn't really know what to expect on this 57 one. 57%. Well, yeah, well, and it's early in the day here. Well, I heard that, your taste buds are kind of better at this point of the time of day, so I'm just going to try that out. Oh, this guy, this highly recommended. And if you're not haven't tried peat, this would be a kind of a new contender for me to a beginner's one, because of this fudge. Amazing. So go check them out. I can only recommend it if you can get the batch strength. I kind of had to search the internet a bit to find this one. The 46 is kind of common. See if you can find this one. This I can definitely recommend. The Scarabus whiskey, single malt from Hunter Laing. I'll say it's Kalila as well. It has this oiliness to it, but yeah, go check it out. See if you have an opinion on your own. So that was it for now. Have a nice day.